Welcome to Tokyo, a city where tradition meets innovation. Here, ancient temples stand tall amidst the towering skyscrapers, and the hum of the city harmonizes with the whispers of the past. Each intricate detail of Tokyo, from the delicate craftsmanship of a sushi chef to the pulsating neon lights of Shibuya Crossing, is a testament to its unique identity. Tokyo is a city that is always on the move, yet it never forgets its roots. A city that keeps its roots intact while embracing the future. Tokyo's skyline tells a story of its own, a cityscape that marries the old with the new, a fusion of tradition and innovation. Let's take a closer look at some of Tokyo's iconic landmarks that punctuate this metropolis, each with a tale to tell. First, we have the Tokyo Tower, an architectural marvel that reaches towards the heavens. It stands tall and proud, a beacon in the heart of the city. This latticed steel giant, inspired by Paris's Eiffel Tower, is more than just a broadcast hub. It's a symbol of Japan's post-war resurgence, a statement of resilience and ambition. Next, we journey on to the Meiji Shrine, a tranquil oasis amidst the urban buzz. This Shinto shrine, dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shokin, serves as a serene reminder of Japan's imperial past. Its majestic torii gates guide us into a spiritual world where urban noise fades into the whispering winds rustling through the sacred forest. From tranquility, we leap towards vibrancy at the Rainbow Bridge. This suspension bridge, spanning Tokyo Bay, lives up to its name, illuminating the night with a spectrum of colors. It's more than just a transportation link. The Rainbow Bridge is a spectacle that adds a dash of color to Tokyo's nightscape, a symbol of the city's dynamic spirit. Each of these landmarks has a unique identity, yet they collectively tell a story of Tokyo's multifaceted character. They stand as towering symbols of Japan's rich history and vibrant culture, narrating tales of resilience, reverence, and radiance. From the soaring Tokyo Tower, reflecting the city's innovative spirit, to the tranquil Meiji Shrine, preserving tradition within the heart of the metropolis, and finally to the Rainbow Bridge, celebrating Tokyo's vivacity. Each landmark is a chapter in Tokyo's unfolding story, a story that continues to captivate and inspire. These iconic structures stand as testaments to Tokyo's rich history and vibrant culture. They're more than just tourist attractions. They're the beating heart of the city, each pulse reverberating with the rhythm of Tokyo's life. Beyond the well-trodden paths, Tokyo reveals its true charm. Venture with us into the city's quiet alleyways, where Tokyo's character is painted in strokes of everyday life. Tucked away in these nooks are quaint cafes, where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingles with the scent of old books. Here, locals escape the city's hustle, finding solace in simplicity. Venture even further, and you'll discover serene parks that stand as tranquil islands amidst the urban rush. These green spaces hum with life as children's laughter echoes and elderly folks engage in animated conversations or meditative Tai Chi sessions. These are the lungs of Tokyo, where the city breathes and relaxes. But Tokyo's hidden gems aren't just places of quiet contemplation. They're also vibrant and full of life, like the local markets that spill onto the streets. Here, vendors peddle everything from fresh seafood to vintage trinkets, their energetic calls adding to the symphony of city sounds. The markets are a feast for the senses, where the colors are brighter, the smells stronger, and the flavors more intense. They are the city's beating pulse, where Tokyo's past and present collide. Let's not forget about the offbeat museums and art galleries sprinkled throughout the city. These cultural spaces house everything from traditional Japanese art to avant-garde installations, offering a window into Tokyo's artistic soul. Here, the spirit of creativity and innovation that drives this city is palpable. And then there are the hidden culinary gems, tiny eateries tucked away in unassuming corners, serving some of the most delectable dishes you'll ever taste. These are places where cooking is not just a profession, but a passion, a way of life. From steaming bowls of ramen to meticulously crafted sushi, these meals are an expression of Tokyo's diverse and vibrant culinary scene. In these hidden corners, Tokyo's heart beats strongest. Each of these unique locales and lesser-known experiences is a thread woven into the intricate tapestry that is Tokyo. Together, they form a picture that's as rich and complex as the city itself. So, step off the beaten path and discover the Tokyo that lies hidden in plain sight. Experience Tokyo, from first light to the twinkling twilight. As dawn breaks, Tokyo awakens with a gentle stir. The sun peeks over the horizon, casting its golden hues over the city skyline. The metropolis stirs from its slumber, and the day begins. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingles with the sweet scent of pastries from local bakeries, wafting through narrow alleys and bustling streets. The hum of the city grows louder as the morning progresses, with the shrill ring of bicycle bells and the distant sound of bullet trains zipping by. As the day unfolds, Tokyo pulsates with the rhythm of life. The cityscape is a canvas of modernity, yet tradition is woven into its fabric. In the afternoon, the city reveals its cultural heart. Tea ceremonies, a revered tradition, unfold in tranquil gardens, offering a moment of serenity amidst the urban buzz. The art of origami, the precision of a bonsai trimmer, the quiet focus of a calligraphy artist. Tokyo is a symphony of traditional experiences that echo through the ages. Yet, Tokyo is not all quiet contemplation. The city is a playground for the adventurous, the curious, and the thrill seekers. As the sun dips below the skyline, Tokyo dons its vibrant evening attire. The cityscape transforms into a kaleidoscope of neon lights, reflecting off skyscrapers and dancing on the waters of the Sumida River. The streets come alive with the sizzle of street food stalls, serving everything from yakitori skewers to takoyaki balls. The rhythm of the city shifts again, now beating to the pulse of the nightlife. From the high-energy performances in Shibuya's music clubs to the quiet elegance of a geisha dance in Asakusa, Tokyo's nightlife is as diverse as it is vibrant. The city's night markets offer a sensory feast, with stalls selling everything from vintage kimonos to artisanal crafts. And for those seeking tranquility, a late-night stroll under the cherry blossom trees offers a serene end to the day. Yet even as the city winds down, Tokyo never truly sleeps. The glow of vending machines lights up empty streets, and the city hums with the quiet energy of the night. As the cityscape darkens, the twinkling lights of Tokyo Tower and the Rainbow Bridge illuminate the skyline, standing as beacons that guide the city into the night. As the day ends, Tokyo's allure only grows. The city's rhythm slows, but the heartbeat of Tokyo continues, echoing into the night and promising another day of discovery, adventure, and wonder. The city, with its dual nature of tradition and modernity, serenity and vibrancy, invites you to experience its rhythm, to live a day in Tokyo. As you venture into the city, you realize that every day in Tokyo is a journey, a story waiting to be lived, a memory waiting to be made. In Tokyo, expect the unexpected. Many cities are known for their landmarks, their food, or their culture. Tokyo, however, is a place that thrives on the unexpected. It's a city that seamlessly blends the old with the new, the traditional with the contemporary, the serene with the bustling. Take, for instance, the quiet corners of the city where you can stumble upon a tiny hole-in-the-wall restaurant. It may not be in the guidebooks, but it serves the best ramen you've ever tasted, prepared by a chef who has dedicated his entire life to perfecting the art. Or consider the art scene in Tokyo. Far from the well-trodden path of traditional museums, you'll find art in the most unexpected places. On the streets, in the subway stations, even in the manhole covers under your feet. Tokyo's street art is a testament to the city's vibrant and ever-evolving creative spirit. Perhaps the most unexpected of all is the city's love for festivals. Tokyo has a festival for almost everything, from the traditional, like the Sano Matsuri, to the quirky, like the Kanamara Matsuri, also known as the Festival of the Steel Phallus. These festivals are a testament to Tokyo's ability to embrace the unusual and the extraordinary. In Tokyo, every turn holds a new surprise. Whether it's a hidden shrine nestled between skyscrapers, a unique festival, or a local art form, the city is a treasure trove of unexpected experiences waiting to be discovered. In Tokyo, every turn holds a new surprise. Tokyo, a city that leaves an indelible mark. As I look back on this journey, I'm flooded with a kaleidoscope of vibrant memories. From the pulsating heartbeat of its bustling streets to the tranquil whispers of its serene temples, Tokyo is a symphony of contrast and harmony. Each iconic landmark visited, every hidden gem we discovered, served as a testament to Tokyo's rich tapestry of tradition and innovation. The city's rhythm, its daily ebb and flow, echoed in its people, its culture, and its breathtaking landscapes. The unexpected surprises, the off-the-beaten-path experiences, they added a dash of mystery, a layer of charm to the Tokyo story we were weaving. The city unfurled itself, not just as a destination, but as a living, breathing entity, pulsating with life and energy. The memories we made, the moments we captured, they're not just beautiful snapshots of a city, they're fragments of a bigger narrative, a testament to the spirit of Tokyo, a city that always beckons you back, Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more such travelogues.